हेलो बच्चों आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे टेबल 8 और 9 का। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। 8 इंटू 1 इज इक्वल टू 8। 8 इंटू 2 इज इक्वल टू 16। 8 इंटू 3 इज इक्वल टू 24। 8 इंटू 4 इज इक्वल टू 32. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. 8 into 7 is equal to 56. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 8 into 9 is equal to 72. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 9 into 5 is equal to 45. 9 into 6 is equal to 54. 9 into 7 is equal to 63. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. 9 into 10 is equal to 90.